Covering southern Utah for you tonight, where many homeowners are struggling to keep their insurance.
As those wildfires devastate communities all across our country, insurance companies are reevaluating their own risk, leading to higher premiums and policy cancellations, even for longtime customers with no history of claims.
Liv Kelleher is in the Kayenta neighborhood of Ivins, taking a closer look at how this is impacting homeowners and what they can do to stay covered. Liv.
Yeah, that's absolutely correct. From Southern California to now South Carolina, destructive wildfires are reshaping the insurance industry. And now, with homeowners in fire-prone parts of this state, they are most at risk of their policies not being renewed.
It's going to affect what insurers are willing to write, and they're going to be looking more carefully. They're going to be looking at maps more carefully and saying, you know, how much risk can we take on?
According to a wildfire risk map, southern Utah's wildland urban interface, where homes meet dry brush-filled landscapes, is considered particularly vulnerable. Allstate told me they conduct inspections several months before renewal to allow owners time to address any potential hazards. But one Kayenta resident who declined to go on camera feels there's no consistent standard for these decisions. He said, after 40 years, Allstate dropped me. They are dropping everyone in Kayenta. I've been here for 27 years. No fires, no floods, no wind damage, no claims. What other agencies are they working with to assess changing risk in different parts of the state?
All insurance companies have their own models that they use to determine, you know, how and where they will write insurance policies. And so that's up to each company to determine. It might be called their secret sauce. He said there is currently a bill in the legislature, House Bill 48, that would create a common map that defines high-risk areas. But for now, there's not a lot that insurance companies have to do. It's really largely up to them in Utah. To avoid being dropped, he recommends taking proactive steps to mitigate fire risk.
We clear out any dead sage, anything that's close to the house that would be considered fire hazard. Replace with stuff that's not flammable, like gravel, landscape rock, flagstone patio, walkways.
Commissioner Pike said that there isn't an area in Utah that's entirely uninsurable yet, and that there are over 100 policy providers in the state. It may just be a matter of who you can find and how affordable their policies will be. Live in Ivins, Liv Kelleher, KUTV 2 News.